Hi guys, it's Ashley again. Natalie's not here. I barely came from San Antonio because I went there for 4 days for vacation. I promised I will post there, but I forgot. It was very busy. As for the title, you know that today we're gonna be doing slime. Supposedly this supposed to work, but we're gonna see. The things that you're gonna need, it's some white citrus lotion from Bath and Body Works, and you're gonna need, all these come from the same company, Bath and Body Works, and you're gonna need 2 shampoos that have to be at the half of the thing. Both of them have to be half the bottle. And then you're gonna need conditioner, and you're gonna need something to mix with. I'm just using a fork of some plastic fork, a bowl, and I'm using this one because it's the only thing that I have clean in my room. Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna grab your bowl. Just gonna grab it. You're gonna open your conditioner. Gonna pour that in. Gonna pour that in as many as you want. Then you're gonna grab your shampoo. Just gonna pour. You're gonna pour that in. I'm gonna pour that in. Then I'm gonna grab the cream. Ow, my finger's hard. Come out. We'll deal with you later. Let's just keep on pouring shampoo. The cream is to make it soft and smooth. So you're gonna add that after you mix it. It's looking pretty slimy. For me, just gonna have to keep on mixing. Just gonna have to keep on mixing that you have. Just to there. Just gonna put your utensil there. Just gonna some cream. Just won't come out. There you go. Come out. Okay. That's all I could get out. So let's mix it again. Mix it well. And if you want more conditioner to give it more color, you can put it in there. Just for, I'm putting more conditioner. I'm out of conditioner. I'm out of conditioner, so I'm just gonna have to add shampoo. Oh yeah, guys, I'm using borax as my solution. Slime solution. I think that's enough for this bottle. Let's do this one. And then some more cream. Oh, this one comes out fast. Okay, that's enough. Shampoo, mix it, mix it. So it's just how it's gonna look for. It's just gonna be really, really soft after you've got everything. There. Just gonna get my solution. Oh, as you know, I am adding a little bit of slime into this. If you want, you can add it. I'm adding a little tiny bit. It's gooey. It's gooey because I haven't played with it in a while. Since I went to... Go in there, little slime. Just gonna mix it. You're just gonna want to mix it around in there. It's gonna get slimy in a while after you're really mixing it. Okay. See? Really coming in like that. You're just going to keep on doing it like this till you feel it's really good. It's gonna be bubbly, but that's just how it is. Okay, it's time to add the solution. Just gonna grab a pinch of it, just add it in there, add the rest back, then just mix it. Just gonna keep on adding it until you see that it's coming together. For me, I'm just gonna like pop it in the freezer. But you guys can keep on adding it. can keep on adding it. You guys can keep on adding it. Like adding borax or slime solution if you want. But some people just put the borax, mix it, and pop it in the freezer. You know? It's gonna add a little bit more. I'm just gonna add a little bit more slime in there. Just gonna mix it a little bit more. Just to make it a little bit slimier and stretchier. I'm just gonna cover that. You just have to go. It's getting chunky and stuff. That means it's getting to slime position. But I'm just gonna go and pop it in the freezer. Wait. Nope, it's coming together right here. You could keep on mixing it until it comes together. Just keep on. I'm just gonna keep on playing with it so it's not sticky. I'm just saying this might work and might not, because I've never tried it before. This is my first time, and I got more shampoo and stuff so I can keep on making. Keep on trying to make it, but this is like really slimy, so I'm just gonna put it somewhere safe for it not to fall. But like, guys, I give this slime a 9 out of 10. No, wait. Be right back. Hi guys, it was my mom. They thought I was outside. I give it an 8 out of 10. It's like really sticky. To make it non-sticky, you could put it like, you could add more borax or something. But yeah, I say this actually really worked. And yeah. Bye. I'll be posting more tomorrow or later. Bye.